The question from first online self-assessment test. This is the question number 14. The question is, the radius of the moon is 27% of the earth radius and its mass is 1.2% of the earth mass. Find the acceleration to gravity on the surface of moon. I always say to my students of DMC, SMC and KMDC, then don't waste your time in solving an MCQ. Why wasting your time in solving an MCQ for less than 1 minute? Try to solve in less than 30 seconds. So don't mess up your data. The 27 given in the above question is nothing, just to confuse you. That 1.2% is given in the question is nothing but just to confuse you. Always remember that the acceleration due to gravity at the moon is gm equal to 1 upon 6 times of g. Means always remember that acceleration due to gravity at the surface of moon is 1 upon 6 times of the gravity on the surface of earth. So in this type of MCQ, you just have to remember this formula. Nothing focus on the data. The data is always there to confuse you, because you have to solve an MCQ in less than 30 seconds. So 1 upon 6 times of g. This is the formula. So you know that gm, gravity at moon, is 1 upon 6 times of gravity on the earth, and 1 upon 6 equal to 0.166, and the gravity is 9.8 on the surface of earth. So when you multiply 0.166 into 9.8, it will becomes 1.615 meter per second square. That is your correct answer. That is present at D. It's a correct answer. So the confusion is how to calculate 1 upon 6. So I always say to my students that always remember these type of values. Like 1 upon 6 is always equal to 0.166, and 1 upon 3 equal to 0.33, 1 upon 25 equal to 0.44. Always remember these type of values. Likewise, always remember that square root of under root of 2 is 1.414. Square root of under root of 3 is 1.5 something. So always remember these type of square roots and these type of values, that 1 upon 6 equal to 0.166, 1 upon 3 equal to 0.33. When you remember these types of things, then don't waste your time in reading the messy data out there. Just put out the formula, that is 1 upon 6 times of g. 1 upon 6 is 0.166, and multiply it with the gravity, that is 9.8. So the answer is 1.616 meter per second square. That is the correct answer is D. But this numerical can also become in the form of the acceleration due to gravity, but at the surface of Jupiter. When they find the Jupiter, means they ask that find out the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon, then don't confuse. Just use this formula, Gj equal to 2.63 into 9.8. It means gravity at moon is 2.6 times of the gravity on the surface of earth. So 2.63 multiply by 9.8, it would becomes 25.774 meter per second square. So it will becomes gravity on the surface of Jupiter is 25.774. So stay watching educationisthub.com.